Digga D just released his new single, Pay As You Go. Might have brought back drill, and the beat Mason produced for him is crazy.
Step outside with a glee, I'm sent a cat and got slapped. How they still making tracks but doing draws, they're not talking facts.
So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make something similar. By the end, you'll be able to make modern drill beats with ease. So let's get straight into it. Okay, we've got the BPM at 140, and Pay As You Go is interesting because the melody doesn't have a big chord progression or anything. It's mainly about some drones, accents, textures, and a few counter melodies. So we don't just want to copy that, but we can take inspiration from it. A lot of the sounds to me seem to be East Asian influenced, and I love that vibe. So one plugin that instantly came to mind was Jade Ethnic Orchestra, and I'm going to start with the pads and see if there's just some type of drone that will work. This one sounds crazy. Maybe this, but without percussion and effects. Just to get some type of drone playing. I'm going to stack a few different ones like that. Let's see what works. Let's copy that in. It's just one note. This one could work. Another plugin we could try is Ethno World, because a lot of the instruments have these licks and drones that you can use. So I'm thinking some of these could work. Like this one sounds crazy. Send those to mixers. Just want to add some delay to that SRAJ. And then we'll add some reverb. I'm just using ROM this time because I like the sound of it. Also going to take some low end out of those drones because we're going to add a bass soon. Maybe even some high ends. Since we're going for that Asian vibe, let's add a koto. I'm just going to record a simple melody to play in the background. Ooh, yeah, maybe we can turn it into more of a textured layer. That sounds hard. I just used the default preset in Layerizer, but I've added time stretch. Just makes it more of an accent. Just found this shamisen chord. It's just a one shot. I think we could cut that, bring it back, and it'll just add to the atmosphere. It'll all make sense soon. Let's get some bass in there. First, I'm going to use this koto. I think we could add halftime to that. Just a one note for now. Yeah, maybe this melody. I think we could use a flute in one part as well. Even just that. With the bass, to get this sounding a bit darker, I'm going to bring it up one semitone. Not really in the scale, but it's going to work. There we go. Same again here. Pay As You Go isn't really this dark, but like I said, we're just taking inspiration. Let's copy that out a few times. Have one without the flute. One without the flute and SRAJ. Have one without the flute and koto. Let's try and change the key. First, I'm going to render all of the instruments together. Then I'll render the bass because I might want to take that out separately. Ooh. Yeah, for picture, it's sounding wild. For drums, I'm thinking we could use my Pyroverse Trap and Drill bundle or Planet Drill, which has all my go-to drill sounds. Let's see, because Pay As You Go has some unique sounds, man. Maybe this could be the main snare. We could layer it though. find a counter snare that we like. And the normal drill pattern would be this. You'd skip 2, skip 2, and skip 1. But now we can remove the first one and the last one. This could be the main bounce. Let's grab a lighter one like this. Feeling that. And then copy this pattern. Let's grab a thick one like this. Maybe some more at the end. Just to layer some of them up. Maybe these. In Page You Go, the bass is actually a live bass guitar, so I'm thinking we could start with that, then switch it for an 808. My favorite bass guitar is this Scarby Rickenbacker one. Same again. So that bass can be a 1 part, but then I want to swap that for an 808. Let's try something like this. Just pitch these down. But we can just fade it out a bit. Or we could even use a log drum. See what I'm saying? Yeah, that combination with the log drums sounded wild. I think in the first 8, we get rid of the log drums just to create that moment. And by the way, if you want to get any of these sounds on my new plugin Layerizer, I always leave links in the description, so make sure you check them out. Alright, we're almost there. We just need to add a few more sounds. I think this one though. And just like one note at the beginning. Then one like this too. Maybe land another snare, and then another light one like this. And just landing on the snare. Just changing the kick here. Just in the second half. Maybe just some perk like this as well. Just something different. We tried a survival one as well. Yeah, that's hard. It might not need anything else, you know. Alright, maybe one drum fill because I can't help myself. For the intro, I'm thinking we could just take this part. Could get the live bass in as well. Take out the open hats for the first 8. And one of the counter snares. For the bridge, we can copy the drums over. Add the live bass again. Last thing I'm going to do is just manually pan some of those log drums. You'll hear that with headphones. And we'll cut the main melody right at the end. This beat sounded wild. Let's hear it from the beginning. This melody came out crazy. To say how simple it is.
J Cactus.
insane. Now we got the log drums. Now we've got the live bass again. So it's a drill beat, but just a little bit different. Yo, the log drums bouncing off that main 808. Sounding wild. I hope you guys are feeling this one. If you want more videos just like it, then click up here. Or you can check out my drum kits using the link in the description.